Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about 8 ways to spice things up during the moment, and this video is basically for married couple when there is marriage and you guys already have kids. There's a lot to take care of, not only on the shoulders of the woman but also for the man. Waking up early in the morning to get the kids ready for school, bathe them, prepare their food, prepare the food for the husband, and prepare the food for yourself. Take care of the house, like do little touch-up, clean up and all that. Put the house in order, organize it. You still have to go to work, and after stressful day at work, you still have to do school runs. Basically, it might be the man or the woman or the both of you together doing school runs, coming back, helping the kids with their assignments and making sure they eat. And sometimes they don't even sleep early enough. You don't have any choice than to be awake waiting for them to sleep before you sleep. After all this, you find it very difficult to squeeze out time to have an awesome moment during the moment. You find it difficult to even have the strength to do anything in the other room. So this video is going to help you, especially if you have kids, if you have a lot to do, if you're always stressed out, if you're always tired. So I'm going to help you with 8 tips that will help you to spice up things during the moment. So number 1 is update your foreplay. It doesn't all have to be something you need to rush. Foreplay is something that the both of you can do to prepare your body, mind and soul to get down to business. It is going to help relax you more and help you to enjoy it better. So you don't have to skip, and this is something you have time doing when the kids are already asleep and you're in your own room. So you have time to massage, to touch each other better, to do all the foreplay, all the preambles before the main work begins. Like I said before, it's going to help to relax you and put you in a better mood to enjoy the moment. The second one is implement gratitude. Little things really matter, and it's going to help spice up your marriage. Little things as little as picking up something that fell from your hand to give you, or maybe your husband seeing that you're doing a lot and helping you in the kitchen to maybe do the dishes and helping you to take the kids to school. Show gratitude, be appreciative, thank him. It's going to put your relationship with your husband or your wife in a better pedestal. It shows that the both of you care for each other. When the both of you show gratitude for the little things that the both of you do, you're not going to take it as if it's their duty or your duty. This duty is for both man and woman. So whoever helps each other do anything, you're supposed to show gratitude and appreciate. It's going to make the both of you sometimes to think about the little things that you do for each other and how you guys show gratitude and put your relationship in a more positive way. The way your relationship is the way your knacking life is going to be. If you're having fun in your relationship, your knacking life will be fun too. If the relationship you have with each other is not bonded well, it is also going to affect your knacking life. So in your relationship, when you make it worthwhile, it's going to also help and bring more positive energy in your knacking life. The third one is get out of the rooms. You don't all have to do it only when you're in the room, especially when the kids are asleep. You can do it in the veranda, you can do it in the kitchen, you can go out and do it inside the car, you can do it anywhere around the house. As far as the kids are in their room sleeping sound, it's going to bring more pleasure into your knacking life, into your marriage. It's going to help spice things up in your marriage because it's now no longer just doing it the usual place. Both of you can be doing your shower together and you do it there, but just try to get outside of your room. This will actually help to spice things up in your marriage and your knacking life. Number 4, schedule your knacking, schedule sex, especially when you have a lot doing. When you schedule it, it helps you guys to always make sure that you don't miss it, like how many times you want to do it in a week. So when you know you're going to do this today, it will actually help you to feel in a better mood. You don't want to feel in a rough or negative mood and then you know you have a schedule at night and you're not going to give your best. So when you know, oh, today is the day, it's going to help build tension. It's going to help you get prepared and get ready and start building up tension in your head. You see that when you guys are now together, you're going to produce more results because you prepared, you got ready for it. Saying this point based on the fact that you guys are married and you have a lot doing. That you know that sometimes because of the busy schedule you have in the office and at home taking care of the kids, a week will pass by without you even remembering that you've not really, in a way, it's reminding you that you guys, and before you know it, you might get used to not doing it because it's been a long time. You don't even remember that you're supposed to do that to spice up your marriage or your knacking life. So when you schedule, it's going to really help you big time. Number 5, add sex toys, add knacking toys. I know that a lot of us feel that using toy when we are knacking isn't just right or isn't it. This is going to give you more pleasure, but it depends if the both of you are comfortable with using it. If the both of you disagree with it, you don't have to take everything I say. It's going to make you enjoy it more, especially when you know you're weak, you're tired. It's going to make you to be energized. Or if you're not okay with this point, the both of you, that's fine. Or if it's something that you care for, you can give it a try. It's going to go a long way in helping to improve your knacking life in your marriage. Number 6, don't be afraid of quickies. This one is very important. It's something you stop by the office to maybe bring lunch for your hobby, and you guys can just do it in the office. Maybe you're about to take this kids to school and you go inside and you catch your wife dressing up. You might just do a little quickie. Sometimes it just takes 2 to 5 minutes and you're done. It's really fun. So it's going to also help you to not forget that you need to satisfy yourselves and pleasure yourselves. Once in a while, you guys can just incorporate quickie. You don't need to prepare for it. It can just come to play and you take good advantage of it, but it is something that you should try. This one will really help. Number 7, invest in lube. This again, a lot of people wouldn't want to, especially when the woman is so weak and tired, and even mentally she's not even ready, but she wants her husband to, I just want to satisfy him. Okay, fine, go ahead and do it. You're not mentally there, will make you not to be lubricated enough. So if you don't want to spend hours doing foreplay, lube can go a long way in helping to help the woman to be more lubricated, and it's going to give you more pleasure. So you should try to incorporate lube into your routine. And last but not the least, play a game. Maybe truth or dare, or truth or dare. It's an example of a game you can play, and you people will have time to have fun, to enjoy each other's company. And maybe when you fail to do what you're supposed to do, you take a shot. Before you know what's going on, someone is tipsy and in the mood, and you guys will have a nice time. This is a way for you to have a nice time in your marriage, even when you have a lot going on for you, even when you're so stressed out, even when you're always busy. You can create time to play games like this, and it is going to help to spice up your marriage. So these are the 8 ways you can help yourself to spice things up in the room in your marriage. And I hope this video, as usual, will be helpful. Leave a comment down below in the comment section. Like this video, share this video. I'm going to see you next time in my next video. Bye.